This video is going to show how to install this smart knob lock. And oh no, first step is to charge it for 3 to 4 hours before installing. Lock, some key things, little faceplate, screws, and the knobs. Oh, I bet that's the fingerprint. And on the bottom is where the charge port and I guess the key. I was wondering where that was. So it takes a USB-C. I heard a beep. Ooh, flashing blue light. Don't use a electric screwdriver, and you have to buy a separate gateway if you want to use the app to control it. And if your fingers are wet or sticky, it's not going to work as well. All right, it's green. First thing I gotta do is figure out how to take off the existing doorknob. And there's screws here. So some doors I think have a button you can like push with a flathead screwdriver, but I don't see anything on this, either the inside or the outside. But it does look like I can access these screws with the knob still on there. So we'll try that first. There we go. Yes. All right. Can I still turn it? Oh, yes, I can. And then that one popped right off too. That slides out. Then I think I can just slide this guy out. Here we go. There's those two. And does this slide right out? Okay, well, that was pretty easy. So the instructions say you're supposed to measure this back set distance, which is from the edge of the door to the center of this hole. And you can adjust this latch thing depending on what that distance is. 2 3/8-ish. Okay, so I should have it all the way in for that size. It says to push this square, and then you can adjust it. So I guess I'm all the way in now. We'll see if that looks right when I put it in here. Yeah, I think that looks like it's perfectly in the center of the hole there. That's good. I'm gonna go ahead and peel off this tape here. And then I'm gonna see if I can just reuse the screws that came out of the other one in the same hole, since I know they fit. All right, that looks good. All right, the next step is to pull the interior knob out. And you do that, it comes with 2 keys and this little pin thing that I guess I used to unlock this somehow. Oh, hey, there it goes. Okay, there's a little note here about charging the battery before you install it. Then remove screw B, which screw B I think is 2 screws. I think it's these 2. There we go. Yep. And then I'm guessing this comes off. Cool. And then, so this is my exterior. It's got the fingerprint. Oh, there's a little sticker that says up. Oh yes, I forgot about this. You gotta make sure that the square is like horizontal and not diagonal. Looks horizontal and not diagonal to me. I think that's okay. So we're putting our exterior on. Okay, get the up air going up. Here we go. Guess I could take that off now. Go. Install the interior plate thingy. Oh, there's an up that's like scratched into the metal here. Okay. There we go. Make sure the spindle bar is vertical. Okay, time for my screws. Okay, then I think I put the knob back on. There's like little indicators, so I think it goes up like this. Make sure this thing is vertical, it says. Rotate the thumb turn to the circular mark. So I think that's this one at the top. Insert the interior knob onto the rosette by aligning the hole. Aligning the rectangular hole, the edge, the blah, blah, blah. A lot of terms, rosette. I have no idea what that is. Oh, and I just pushed it in. Hey, it's definitely a little louder than my old knob, which didn't make any noise at all. I'm sure there's like a lot of stuff going on in there. All right. So it seems like there's no way to program fingerprints unless you actually install the app. Touch the fingerprint screen to activate it to automatically search. Ooh, they found a lock. Being added. Wow. Added successfully. Okay, that was easy. All right. Unlock. That's cool. And I can lock it too. Member management. Me. Okay, then you go into member management. You do fingerprint add. To add a fingerprint, place finger on the fingerprint recognition area several times. Ensure it fully contacts the area. So hit add. Okay. Place on the center of your finger on the sensor. Once it is successfully, remove your finger. Cool. Okay, now let's see if it works. So if I set it to this mode, it should lock after 5 seconds. Cool, so it's not moving. And if I put my fingerprint, oh, that's cool, it's unlocked. 2, 3, 4, 5, oh, there it goes. Cool. Show my thumb too. Oh, that is neat. 5, and it's locked again. Nice, and theoretically these keys should also unlock it in case it runs out of battery. It works.
What did it do?
First used outside of the room. Nice. There we go. And now it's locked. Beautiful.